Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the microphone not working in the NVIDIA app. Make sure to watch the video till the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So if your microphone isn't working on the NVIDIA application, then simply once you open the application, go to your settings, and then from here you're going to go to in-game overlay. Click on the settings right here, and then scroll down until you see audio section. From here you're going to double check that the source is the microphone that you actually want and need to use. Then from here you're going to click back, close the app section, and then from here you're going to go to your sound settings, which is going to be on this icon right here. Right click it and then go to sounds. Then from here go to recording section. Then double make sure that the microphone that you want to use is selected and set as default. If you want to set it as default, then you simply click on this button and simply click apply and then OK. You can double click it to just double check the listen levels and advanced, and make sure that this box is ticked. Allow application to take exclusive control of this device, and that the levels for the microphone is set to the high and not too low, because if it's at the minimum, then the microphone is muted. Then you're going to search for sound settings, and then from here you're going to double check that the input is as well microphone, the one that you would like to use, and then manage the sound devices. And then from here you're going to make sure that all the other microphone and input devices are set to disabled. Right here, as you can see, I disabled each microphone that I do not use, and the only one that I'm using is enable right here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.